Hey, this is me about 5 hours after my bike fall, and I'm going to show you some of my cuts. Here, you can see a cut pretty bad on my hand. The skin's hanging off right there. I already cut some dead skin off, so look, and then I have some in my hand. Pretty small, but the skin ripped right off. Then I hit my face a little bit, but look what's here. You can see my chest is all ripped up, and my shoulder, right there. And yeah, basically all my